Hello my dear family and friends, hope you all are doing well. Please support Siri Kitchen Moments channel and kindly provide your valuable feedback. Please watch the videos till the end for better clarity. Also, follow and tag Siri Kitchen Moments on different social media handles which I will post in the description section of this video. With that said, without further ado, let's get into our today's video. A delicious and mouth-watering chicken curry that is cooked along with fresh methi or fenugreek leaves is simple to prepare and highlights the flavors that you will surely fall in love with. Let's check the directions to make this delicious methi MURGH curry or methi chicken curry. Take the whole spices or garam masala. Here I have 5 cloves, 1 green cardamom, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon black peppercorns, 1 tablespoon poppy seeds, and 10 cashew nuts. Finely powder all these in a small mixie jar and keep aside. Next, finely chop 1 big or medium-sized onion, slit 5 green chilies lengthwise, chop 1 sprig of curry leaves, few mint leaves and coriander leaves. 1 tomato into small cubes and wash, rinse fresh methi leaves and keep aside. Next, take whole chicken, thoroughly rinse and clean the chicken and keep it ready. Once all the prep work is done, it's time to start cooking. Heat a heavy bottomed pressure pan over medium heat. Once oil is hot, add slit green chilies, chopped onions, and saute on medium heat. Add 2 teaspoons of salt for the onions to speed up slight browning. Also add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Keep stirring on medium heat and add ginger garlic mixture. Saute for a minute and then add curry leaves, mint leaves, coriander leaves, and stir till the onions are lightly golden in color. Add the fresh methi leaves and saute till soft. Add chopped tomatoes, saute and cover the pan with a lid and cook until the tomatoes turn soft. Remove the lid and once tomatoes are soft, add the chicken and saute on medium flame for 5 minutes. Then cover the lid and let chicken cook in itself for 10 minutes and then remove the lid and give a nice stir. Cover again and cook for another 15 minutes and then check if chicken is half cooked. At this stage, add red chili powder and stir well. Cover again for another 5 minutes and cook. After 5 minutes, remove the lid and pour just enough water to fill about the chicken pieces and not too much water. Mix well and let the mixture boil on low to medium heat while covering the pan with the lid. Stir occasionally and after 15 minutes, when the chicken is fully cooked, add the ground powder that we prepared as our first step. Mix well and cook covered on low flame for 5 minutes. Then remove the lid and add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and combine the mixture. Cook uncovered on medium flame for 2 minutes and when gravy comes to a desired consistency, garnish with coriander leaves. Mix well and turn off the heat. Methi chicken curry is ready to be served. Transfer to a serving bowl and serve delicious methi chicken curry along with methi pulao, raita, lemon slice, and boiled egg. Check out Methi Pulao recipe video link in the description section below. If anyone watching for the first time or haven't subscribed yet, please do so by clicking subscribe button. Also click on the bell icon and select all notifications option so that as and when new videos are uploaded in Siri Kitchen Moments, you will receive immediate notifications. If you like this video, please do click on the like button. Also, you can express your valuable opinions and suggestions in the comment section and share this video to your loved ones. In short, Please like, share, subscribe to Siri Kitchen Moments. Hugs and love from Siri Kitchen Moments.